guys. So get something to drink, champagne, a cool drink, even water. Please get something to drink because it's a celebration. I'm unboxing the YouTube plaque, 100,000 subscribers. Yes, it has happened. So let's celebrate. Okay, let me open this. I need a knife. Okay. Whew. You guys see first. Oh, it comes like this. Right.
We see first.
And then, and it is a long letter. It starts with, this is the letter that I'm reading. I'm not going to read all of it because it is quite a long letter. It says some 100,000 subscribers, just how far you've come. If each of your subscribers were like you, they could take you from one side of the Milky Way to the other. Oh my goodness, that's amazing, right?
That's far.
Yeah, very far. So, okay, let's take the rest of this baby out. Well, congratulations on your subscribers milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged by Great K. Rick, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Woo! This is the baby. Yes. It looks amazing, right? So presented to Eve Mafupa for passing 100,000 subscribers. YouTube. Yeah.
There's another letter.
Yeah, recognize your team. Oh yes, they're saying I should share the recognition by allowing your team to purchase a personalized creator award. Oh, okay. Alive. Yeah, you are part of the team. So obviously I do recognize you, but this is amazing, guys. I said there's something to drink. Then please can you come and pop this, pop, 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 pop.
Chico, you're gonna be there.
You can. Oh my boys. You've got. You're looking fine. Why are you good? Oh, okay. Alright, so?
Right.
Hey, please don't aim to me.
Please don't aim at me.
Woo! Yay! Alright. You get a glass or you got one of it? Oh, you are way ahead of me. Okay. Wow. This is non-alcoholic, guys, so even the underage boys can have stuff. Whoa, that was about to happen. Like, how can you pop puppy and there's no spinach? It's as if it didn't happen. Alright, so let's celebrate, guys. Yeah, it has happened.
Cool.
Cheers.
Shout.
Did you get your drink out already? Because it's a celebration, right? Yeah.
Yeah, cool. Okay.
Yeah, you go back to the camera. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for coming by. Yes, it's a celebration. It has happened. I now have over 100,000 subscribers and my plaque came through. And thank you so much, guys. Thank you to you guys who have been supporting this channel in every way. I could have worked as hard as a donkey. If you guys didn't subscribe, didn't share my videos, wouldn't comment on my videos, that would have come to naught because it's you guys subscribing and sharing that I'm in this place at this moment right now or celebrating 100,000 subscribers. So thank you so much to each and every one of you. Thank you. I really appreciate you. Now I also want to thank, okay, I wrote a speech here. Let me just get it out so that I don't have to forget what I wanted to say because, yeah, it is quite a moment. I'm feeling hot already. Yeah, so this award is for us because we have worked on this YouTube channel to make sure that it gets to where it is. Like I have so many people taking me even on videos that maybe I should watch or I should hear something that I should try or, you know, commenting, telling me what you want to watch more of. So this is our award, guys. So cheers to you as well. And for this milestone, thank you so much. And many times I thought of giving up. Like, you guys may not understand when you have worked on a video so hard and you are expecting it to go viral and you post it and nothing happens. You get maybe 100 views or 500 at most, and you're like, what? After working so hard, hours spent on a video and it doesn't happen, so the urge to give up, like, it comes quite often. But there are a lot of people who encouraged me, who cheered me on, who made sure that I didn't give up. Like when I was getting tired, they would say, no, you are actually doing a great job. And some of you guys even came into the comments to say, look here, you're doing a great job, keep doing what you're doing. So thank you so much to those who encouraged me along the way. I needed those encouragements. I needed you to keep cheering me on. So thank you so much. And thank you to my family, my husband and my boys. I'm sure you saw my boys, my 2 boys. Thank you so much for being cameramen many a time. Like each and every one of the boys have been cameramen at sometimes. So thank you so much. And being told to keep the noise down when I'm doing voiceovers, thank you so much for that as well, because you have had to put up with me along this journey. So I know it hasn't been easy for you guys. So thank you so much. And also doing without me for hours on end when I'm editing the videos. Yes, editing a video takes hours. It's not just and then a video comes up. No, it takes a lot of hours to do that. So thank you so much for like doing without a mother and my husband for doing without a wife when I'm editing videos. Sometimes I sleep like in the morning because I'm editing the video. So thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Yeah. I actually have one manning a camera right now. So thank you so much, Dali, Chico, Taimika, and William. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys.
A spoon. All 3? No. Yeah, but all.
What three of you?
No.
You do most of the work, of course.
Yeah,
Okay,
but they're supposed to be like, a whole different category. To be like to the cameraman of this channel. Yes.
Okay.
And then would have carried on from there.
Right.
But it's fine. Carry on. No, I already wait. Okay, go.
Thank you so much, Dali, for all you do for my channel. I know it is not easy, but yeah, I have to call upon you for a lot of times. Sometimes when you're not expecting us to film, I'm like, hey, Dali, we are filming in 30 minutes, so get ready. So thank you so much for all you do. And then also for my hair models, like the ladies that I use, even the guys that I use for my channel when I'm doing hair videos. You guys allow me to create art on your hair, so thank you for giving me access to your hair. Thank you so much. And then thank you to the ladies at Nashe Hair Studio. Okay, yeah, so I wouldn't be doing what I do if they didn't do what they do as well. So you guys have supported me, have helped me in so many ways through and through. So thank you so much to everyone who works at Nashe Hair Studio. Thank you. I really appreciate all you do. To the brands that I've worked with quite a number of brands since I started on this journey, like so many years ago. So thank you so much for pushing me, for allowing me to partner with you so that I can do more content and become better at my craft. Thank you so much. I really appreciate the opportunity to create content with you. Thank you. And then a special thank you to my husband, my biggest fan, my biggest critic, and a shoulder to lean on all the time. He has made me better for this. Like, he's the one who shows me the ropes on how to take videos, how to edit, how to do a lot of things. Actually, he's the one who's like, no, let me research on that. And so he's been a big part of this channel. And I cannot thank him now for all that he has done for this milestone. This award is as much his as well as it is mine. So thank you so much, my darling. Thanks, love. So when I started YouTube, I did not know that it was going to come to this. Yes, I knew that I want to create content. I love doing hair. It is always my happy place. That's why it is more of hair content on my channel. But I never knew it was going to come to this. I may have mentioned, actually it's not I may have. I actually mentioned it in a video that, hey guys, let's get to 100,000 subscribers, And the power of speech. It's amazing where God can take you. What I want to do now is thank the Lord, my Creator, the Lord Almighty, for the opportunity to create as well. Because I know there's some people who may want to do something, but the opportunities are just not there. So thank you, Lord. I want to thank my Lord for the opportunity to create. I want to thank Him for good health, because without good health, I cannot create. So I just want to thank the Lord right now. That's what I just want to say. Thank you, Lord, for everything. You have gotten me this far. It's been quite a ride, and I'm enjoying it as well. So I want to thank God for that. So this is 100,000 subscribers. There's still a million subscribers, 10 million, 20 million, and 100 million subscribers. Who knows? So I'm looking forward to continuing on this ride, on this journey. I'm enjoying it. Doing hair is a passion for me, and I'm not going to stop now. I think even in my old age, I'm going to be doing hair. So you guys, if you're looking for hair content, keep tuned to this channel. I'm going to introduce other categories of this channel. So if you're looking for a wholesome experience, that is going to be done right here. So keep tuned to Eve Mafupa's channel. Speaking in the third person, keep tuned to Eve Mafupa, my channel, because I'm going to roll out content, and I'm sure the best is yet to come. So yeah, that's all for me today. I just wanted to come here to celebrate with you guys because it is our accolade and we have done this. It is ours. We should honor it because we have done it. So cheers to everyone that has been part of my journey. I really appreciate you in my life. Thank you and God bless you.